Hi and welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Lemons for Leukemia video. If you haven't heard about it yet, Lemons for Leukemia was started by two friends, one of whom has leukemia, because they were trying to set the record for the most bone marrow donors added to the National Bone Marrow Registry in 24 hours. You can learn more about their journey on their YouTube channel, One List, One Life. The link will be in the description below. I decided to do this video because I feel that spreading awareness about leukemia, along with cancer in general, is important. Many people's lives are affected by cancer in one way or another. Over 1.5 million people a year are diagnosed in the United States alone. We need to stand up for something and do what we can to help. Some of these options include making monetary donations or signing up to be a bone marrow donor. There will be links in the description for how to do this and where to find other information. If you are unable to do this, encourage those around you who are able to be a part of this movement and help out. Now the kids will be doing a taste test of lemon products. Stay tuned till the end to see us complete the Lemons for Leukemia challenge. So today we are going to do the lemon taste testing thing. So I have a bunch of items that are lemon flavored and we are going to taste them. First we are starting with Sir Travis and Sir Michael. Start with lemon cake.
Lemon cake?
So taste it.
Mmm.
Put it in your mouth and eat it, guys.
I don't like it.
Okay.
It's just a little bit sour and not sour.
Okay, next we are going to try this lemon water. Please don't spill it.
Okay. I like lemon water. That is good. Smell.
Is it good?
It just tastes like regular water. Mmm. Mine is good. Ew.
We're gonna try lemon jello.
But we can't take it out. We need to pour it in our mouths.
Why are you guys switching?
Oh, that's my thing. Thank you. This
Drink the jello, Michael.
That's good. That is very good.
Was that really good? Okay. Do you need help? Tap it. Use your finger to scrape it. There you go.
There you go, Michael. You got it. Keep tapping.
Travis, in your hand. Let him do it. Okay.
Was it cold? It's cold for me.
Try this clear lemon sparkling water. It's bubbly water.
Ooh, that's cool.
It's like soda. Do you like it?
Yeah. To me.
Piggy.
Oh, nice.
You guys can try the candy. Just get one candy and put it in your mouth.
Come on, my hand there is too big. Ah! Why?
Because drink of chest.
Don't like soda.
How's the candy? Is it good? Is it sour?
Wait.
Don't choke on it.
Now what are we doing?
Did you chew it, Michael?
Yeah.
Did you already finish yours? Wow. Come on, Travis, finish yours, please. Chew it.
Oh.
If you can't, give it back. Now we have some bubbly lemonade.
Is it the one you just poured?
I just poured all of them, dude.
It's like soda.
Is it like soda?
Tastes like soda and lemon. And juice. That is good.
we're gonna give you lemon popsicle.
Lemon popsicle.
It's cold.
I don't know if I really like that.
Put it in your mouth. And if you don't like it, put it back in the cup. Rinse it out.
What's this? That.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
You don't like it, Michael?
This is fine with me.
Drink it quickly or don't drink it, because we have other things to do. Is it sour?
Yeah, it's too sour.
Next thing,
Jeez. Lemon.
they're lemon Oreos. Take a bite of it.
So good. And I see things on the top. Nope, me not like it.
You don't like it?
I'm fine with it. It tastes good. Thank you. I told you never to try leukemia.
Good job. Lemons for leukemia.
What did you know? It's yummy.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Eat as much of it as you can. Take a big bite.
Lemon for leukemia.
Oh, nobody can see you.
Lemon for leukemia? I like it.
Take a big bite. Don't eat the outside. You don't have to eat the outside. Eat the inside.
Inside?
Yeah, the sour part.
You like this one.
Do you guys know why we're doing this for lemons for leukemia? Do you know what leukemia is? Leukemia is a form of cancer that affects the blood. So cancer is a disease that makes people really sick. So leukemia is a form of that affects the blood. So we're doing this to raise awareness for leukemia and to encourage people to get on the bone marrow donors list. So they can do that down below in our description. Can you tell them that?
The link is in the description.
Okay, so now we're back with Sarita, and Michael decided he wanted to do it again. So now we're going to try the lemon cake. Yours is pink, his is purple.
What?
Here.
I don't like it.
You didn't even taste it.
Like, you keep licking good. I don't want to try it.
Okay, try it.
Like, we need to eat it. It tastes like cake. Yeah. Cake.
Bite it. Bite it.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Mm.
Give me your cup, please. And then we will let you wash that down with some lemon water.
I eat purple.
Oops, that's right. Yours is purple.
This is pink. Mine is purple.
Drink it. Was it good?
Yeah.
Okay, drink it.
Done. I like it.
Next one. You get one candy.
What do you want to do?
Get one candy. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Suck on them until you can chew them. And if you can chew it, chew it. Michael, eat it. You're the one so fast. Eat that one. Chew it. I didn't say swallow it.
I want it dead.
You're not.
I put it dead.
Okay. Now this is bubbly water.
Yummy. It's like soda.
Yep, it's like soda.
It's a bit more
You're done with yours.
sour though.
Was it sour?
I like mine. I like mine.
Okay. Now,
Jello.
Jello.
Give me yellow.
Jello. Lemon jello. Drink it.
Yellow is good.
You guys drink it? How was it?
Mm.
Is it good?
Mine is good too.
Yours was good too. Okay, then we are going to do...
The champion. Now the lemon one.
This is lemonade. Bubbly lemonade.
Want me lemonade?
Yep.
That was sour.
Was it sour?
Me, I soured.
Okay. Now we are going to do this.
Marshmallow.
It's not a marshmallow. It's cold. It's a popsicle.
Popsicle. Do you have the sucker them?
Just put it in your mouth and eat it. If it's too cold, don't eat it, but taste it.
It is poof, poof.
Okay, put it in your mouth. You're not gonna sit here and lick it. So either put it in your mouth and eat it.
Ah.
Put it in your cup if you're done.
Yeah.
Michael didn't like this one.
I like purple. I like purple. I know. I like purple.
You like purple? Okay, now for one of the sourish rounds.
These those ones?
You guys ready?
I like them.
Some lemon juice. That's why I didn't give you very much. You didn't have to drink the whole thing, silly girl. Okay, we're gonna kind of mellow it out with a lemon Oreo.
What? That's what they put in there. I like this.
Okay, eat it.
You're not gonna get in your mouth.
Take a bite of it. You can take it out. There you go. Eat it.
Oh, okay. The last round.
No, we have one more thing we have to do.
What?
So now,
Lemon leukemia.
lemons for leukemia. That's right. You have to eat as much of the lemon as you can. But before you eat it, you have to say lemons for leukemia. Do you know what leukemia is, Sarita?
Leukemia?
Yeah.
When people got hot.
Well, they have to go to the hospital a lot, huh?
Yeah, because they lose hair.
And they lose hair. Because leukemia is a form of cancer.
Yeah, and hold this fix.
Are you going to do this again?
Yeah.
So, and it's a cancer that affects the blood. So they say lemons for leukemia.
Lemons for
What?
leukemia.
Eat it. Bite it.
Too sour. For
Lemons for leukemia. Lemons for leukemia. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what causes you are passionate about, and don't forget to subscribe. On a side note, my upload schedule has changed to every other week, and hopefully putting up videos in between if I can. Thanks for watching. Bye!